All right, guys, we're doing a trade recap today. Yeah, really the only news we had today, the PCE was before market open, and after market open we had Chicago PMI, but that didn't really affect anything. So let's get onto the charts, and I'll show you guys my shit today. All right, so first things first, when I got on the charts, this was the candle, not this one, not this one, this the last light gray candle. And it was like about where my cursor is. So I thought, okay, price is probably going to go up, fill this imbalance, and go to this 4 hour order block, probably fill this imbalance, and then drop. Obviously, that's what it did, but we did take a losing trade today. So I'll walk you guys through it. So I was waiting for the 950 to 1010 macro, and I want to see price come up, fill all this, and then look for something down. And price formed this hourly fair value gap. So I said, okay, price is very likely to come back down at least to this. And as you can see, we had a take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, take profit here. And that would have been about I don't remember how many points, but that's about it on the hourly. And also, I marked out the equilibrium level. Price was in a discount. So we have price in a discount, price filling a major imbalance, and a major order block. So after price did that, I was looking for shorts because that's originally what I want to see. I want to see price go up, fill that, and then look for shorts. Now, if we scale on to the 15-minute, so again, I got on the charts like around before it was a little bit before market open, or maybe it was a little after. I don't know. I might have overslept today, but anyways, um, so yeah, we see this imbalance being formed, another imbalance being formed, price coming up, and I thought I'll show you guys. I thought this was actually a liquidity sweep on the hourly of these of this hourly high and order block also, which it was. I just I fucked up my entry. Now you guys can see you guys can see here. This is my original position. This is my original position, and there was 156 points. Now, what would that have been? Holy shit, that would have been over 350 points. We would have made bank. But anyways, yeah, we got stopped out, so very unfortunate. So my bias was right, and my take profits were right. I just keep fucking up on the entries. So we're on the 5 minute, and price moves higher, moves higher, moves higher. And I don't remember why I marked this out. I think that was for a potential buy, but again, my buys were short, so I wasn't looking for buys. Where did I enter off of? I entered somewhere over here. Really not much on the 5 minute, to be honest with you guys. I've been using the higher time frame confluences, and overall, my buys has been right, and to take profits every single day. It's just the entry I keep fucking up on. So, what did I enter off of? Okay, yeah, I remember. So, price came down, filled this 1 minute imbalance, moved higher, swept this liquidity. So, I was looking for something for a downside. I probably could have entered a short of this, but it was kind of filling this imbalance and not really moving down or up, so I was kind of hesitant. But then we got an order block. Price moved down, took this liquidity, moved back up into the order block, and that's what I entered short off of. I went short right here for my stops above this high. And yeah, you can see we got stopped out. But market eventually did turn around and go in our favor. So maybe we should have waited for another entry. We could go to the 5 minute and see what that gave us. I mean, not maybe we should have waited. I mean, obviously we should have waited, but regardless. Oh yeah, you guys can see this was a 15-minute imbalance fill. That might have been from the other day though. But anyways, so what did the 5 minute give us? Well, we got stopped out right here. Price came down, filled this 5 minute imbalance, moved up, and it looks like this was just kind of a liquidity sweep, to be honest with you guys. But anyways, we go to the 15 minute. I'm not sure if it's gonna give us anything. Okay, here we go on the 15 minute. So had we just waited, right, until 12, which I usually get off the charts at like 11:30, but maybe we'll wait till maybe like 12:31. But I can only do that on Fridays since actually I could do that Mondays. I could do that Mondays too, and whatever the other days is. But some days I can't because I have class. But anyways, so we saw price move down and then come back up into this 15-minute order block. And obviously, this is a very long extension without any drop to the downside. So once it fills this order block, we can skip. Or I'll mark it out. So once it fills that, you could, or once you see it start going toward that, you could scale down. And what do we see? Well, we see it tap in, and then we see a new 5-minute lower high right here. And on the 1 minute, this is gonna be so nice. I don't remember where that lower high was. Probably somewhere around here. But anyways, on the 1 minute, you could see price come back up, sweep this liquidity, and then after this candle close right here, I would have shorted. I'll mark it out for you guys. Um, After this candle close, I would have shorted right here, and I would set my stops above this high, and my original take profits would have stood. So overall, I guess we have to be more patient to see what market gives us because our bias has been right 9 out of 10 times, and our take profits have been hit 9 out of 10 times. So we're just finding a bad entry, and I think it's because we're rushing and we just want to trade. But yeah, I'm gonna stay patient. Next week I think I'm gonna get a live account. So yeah, so next week we'll implement the patience, and hopefully we could bang out some very good trades next week. But yeah, that's about it. So we did get stopped today, and I'll show you guys. It was minus 650. No, this was yesterday. Wait. Hold up. Damn. Actually, no, that's about right. So this is where I started my I'm not started. I started down here, but anyways, on the last week or like about 10 days, we got about 800 profit, then about 300 here, and now we're down about so we're about break even to be honest. A little less, but anyways, yeah, that's about it for this video. So I hope you guys found something informational from this. Looks like my problem is the bias we're fine at, take profits we're fine at, confluences we're fine at. We just got to correlate the time frames better because obviously on the higher time frames, the 1 minute wasn't lining up right, and higher time frames hold higher power. So we just got to be more patient, and if market doesn't give us anything, then we don't take a trade. So obviously not taking a trade is better than losing a trade. So yeah, hope you guys, find something out of this. But yeah, next week we're doing live, so stay tuned for that.